Gaza. One. Blood shots, that's a one only. Shot ball. You know the thing said, no. No? No. What is that I'm nose? I'm out! Yeah, I know I want to bust that. That's what we say.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will go over what's being shown on social media today. Obviously, is New Year's Eve, but also the infamous Freedom Street concert. Busta Rhymes is here. He was seen in a video clip with Little Addy, that's a Vybz Kartel's son. Also, he was seen with Lisa Hype, and we even see a worker that works at the airport showing how much traffic Vybz Kartel concert has started to show already. So yesterday or the other day when everybody was saying, oh, your private jet, the man of Kartel Kazi, we even see Busta Rhymes was on his jet flying in saying, hey, with the power we are. When he finally reached and link up with Vybz Kartel was even chilling with Shalom. There's so much to go over. But if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on this video, guys. Hurry up and push up the like video so we can move on. I'm trying to get to 3,000. Subscribe. Leave a comment and share. Check this out.
Good morning, folks, and we literally did have to come explain and tell everything what I go and show the airport during Vybz Kartel concert before it happened. You see me? At the moment, from about last week, Tuesday, Wednesday, brother, me say flight. Bro, I'm gonna be alone, me see them thing I go on, All diversion if you go on in the ear. When I mean diversion, I mean if the plane fell on a Mobile, it go along a Kingston until the plane ready to take off and go back to Mobile. Because too much people are on at once. Boy, Vybz Kartel. Boy, I don't know who no benefit out of this. Everybody benefit. Me not like the government now go tell you thank you, but me I tell you, boy. Bro, everybody benefit, dog. Every single body benefit. Brother, remember Kingston Airport me working, bro. I mean, never see the car park so full. Me never see the car park so full yet. Guys, me a be real. Watch it, you know see? All it gone way over there, Car park 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full up. I watch it. Early morning this. Early morning. And me I tell you, since when it touch 1 o'clock, actually me now go there for show no. When it touch 1 o'clock, let me show you. So when it touch 1 o'clock, the whole of the place, you see from down there, so arrival comes straight up right here, so car have to pick up people. And me can tell you one time me come in a taxi, and you see from touch a roundabout, traffic. I have to walk, but waste my $200. I have to walk. I have to come out of the taxi and walk, come clock in if you come on my work. The taxi them can't go around, the whole arrival black up. Vybz Kartel, me love this for you. Me love this for Jamaicans overall. This is a nice tourism booth. We need some more inspirational artists like this so can make it happen.
So you hear that, guys? Traffic there town. Traffic from last week, people them are flying. Private jets, whole heap of tourists. And that is a good because remember the other day, I don't remember who came out and was saying that tourism was slow in Jamaica, and this is a good boost for the economy. But yeah, like I said, Busta Rhymes is here, and check out this video with him and Lisa Hyper.
When the boss lady reach, everybody mouth shut. Silence in the bumbuckler place. Come like the judge, just swat the hammer. Not say a word. Cause your mouth stink. Yo, split star, you fucking up. Yo, I'm a general in a master. One split
star. Me tell you this, man. Love him and live hate him and die, man. One spliff star. Oh, you mean? Love you, spliff.
One. Give me your face, give me your face, give me your face.
Yeah.
Other side, other side.
One.
Yeah, man, it's a good look. Good look. When you notice that Kartel meet up with everybody except two Smaddy, Bounty Killer and the Queen of Dancehall. I think he probably don't do it for purpose because he know we anticipate that kind of energy on the stage. But I just know it's going to be epic when he told him finally link up on stage. A problem. As Kartel said, I watched our interview yesterday, he said after Spice done both of the place now, no more space, they might have to reconstruct over stadium when Spice done. But here's a video with Spice and Jada coming into Jamaica for the show later on. Check this out.
Nah, no way. You think they're foreign this? You think I'm foreign with that? You think I'm foreign?
I want to get in my blue and I'm going to start here.
This is not foreign.
This
is not foreign.
So I start talking to me no more.
You know, see me the Africa girl.
I look on God, make me scared today. Look on God.
People might tell me come off of the phone. We just like Jamaica. Oh, go. I'm not foreign with that. This is not foreign. Who's that in blue around there? Girl, she have a foreign. Look how the girl calm down after a foreign. My twinkle.
The king and queen of dancehall. The king and queen of dancehall.
Yeah, right. As I was doing this video, I saw that Spice and Kartel, linking up on the stage, just greeting each other finally. But can't wait to see them perform together. So while in the middle of recording this video, I stumbled upon this important update on Instagram. I don't know if it's true, but if this is true, this is a big deal. Rihanna, the bad girl Rihanna from Barbados, landed for Freedom Street. A problem. I am her biggest fan, just so you guys know. But it's a big thing. It's a big thing. Yeah. Big up Rihanna. Yeah. Big up Vybz Kartel. You guys tell me what you think about this in the comment section.
Yeah, but history later, you see me I say Freedom Street. Yeah, man. I remember. Show time I start 10 o'clock sharp. Show time I start 10 o'clock. But it's under my nose.
Yesterday I saw this clip online circulating, and apparently it seems that DJ Academics has an interview with Vybz Kartel. Looks like it was done here. And I haven't seen the actual full video yet, so maybe when he go home, because he's here, because Kartel is one of my biggest artists overall, favorite artist overall. So obviously when he go home, I'm gonna upload it. But he released that clip, and him and Vybz Kartel were discussing the fact that a lot of people stole Vybz Kartel's style, his swag, his style of music, everything, the way he does his tattoo. And, the fact that he's a big influence on the dancehall community. But check this out.
Everyone knows it's biting my style, biting my image, biting my
persona. You think it's biting, or do you think it's because as you said, influence.
Yeah.
You influence everybody who we see tattoo themselves up on a place. I don't think they're biting your style. I think they're influenced.
Yeah, I mean.
Do you guys agree with that? Do you think that Vybz Kartel impacted our culture or influenced our culture rather? I think so, good and bad. But that comes with every artist, both international and local. But tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest update. Leave a like on the video, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Leave a comment. Bye bye.